Yeah, I don't know.
Oh wait, Jaeger's got a. Oh, Jaeger's actually got quite. I think it had the 60 damage, doesn't it? Jaeger's shotgun.
Yeah, it's the bad boy shotgun, bro.
Yeah.
People don't play it because of the assault rifle, but the shotgun's raw and nuts. Get C4s and that.
Yeah. I don't think.
Oh shit!
You're the last one.
You know,
Complete the
there's one behind
mission.
you.
Fight to the end. One rubber left alive. Make sure the
The
last
stairs, Ying in one of the room.
Which one?
The left one. The left one. She was in there. Yeah, this one. Let me check the cam. Okay.
Nice.
Hello.
That's my goal.
planned work. It's ours and
Hello there.
Bruh.
I try to throw a Ying in front of everyone. Yo,
No one there.
someone's on the block.
Oh shit! Sorry, boys.
That's. You took my kill.
Bully me.
Oh my god, fuck off.
I'm only joking, man. I'm only joking. There you go. It's floating.
What? What the fuck?
Some geezer just. This music is actually banging. Shinobi, come to me.
Who are you?
I'm over here, man. Come listen to these tunes.
Yo, dude, bro.
Yo, I swear. Yo,
I try to hold that.
I've got you, my guy. Yo, I just saved this kid's life. I thought I killed him, to be honest with you. Not gonna lie, I thought we lost it. Oh, I couldn't even cheat it up. Yo, that is throwing a heart.
Oh, she did.